Hey guys, so hello. Welcome back to my channel. A lot has changed since I was vlogging and making videos, a lot of good stuff. I'm just really excited to be back here, and I thought that I would make a video kind of like an introduction again back to my channel. I have been MIA for some great things. If you guys don't know, I am married. Okay, so that's so annoying. My ring always does that. Terrence did get married, and it was in the summer, midsummer. We got married in May, and I'm just really excited to start this new journey with him. And obviously you guys see there's a new location. It is because we have moved. We have moved, for this video purpose, I'll just say Monterey, because it's in the Monterey Peninsula. So if you are familiar with that, then you definitely know. It's beautiful out here, and we're just like really excited. I am a stay-at-home wife, and I am currently just enjoying marriage and just enjoying all of the extra activities that I'm doing, like helping out at church, singing at church. I am a worship leader, so that's super exciting. And yeah, I'm just really excited to be out here and embarking on this new journey. So thank you guys so much for hanging with us. I know the content has been shaky. There's been content like, I want to say every blue moon, and that is totally our fault. We decided to go a different direction with our channel, and now it's solely going to be my channel, and Terrence is just going to pop up every once in a while when we decide to like do videos and things like that. So that's really exciting. But yeah, so I am just really excited to share this with you guys. We have lots of fun videos, especially coming from me. I want to get really more into lifestyle videos and just showing you guys what I do on a day-to-day basis. Being a stay-at-home wife and also going to school and being a student, on top of that working out, on top of that going to church, and then also trying to balance like a work life is really complicated and can be very stressful. So I feel like making this video will be great because I can show you guys how to just deal with it, because I know it can be a little annoying and overwhelming. But I am going to show you guys a quick little glimpse of what our house looks like. It's a small little condo-ish apartment, and we're just doing this because we feel like it's better just to go ahead and save money and just really zoom in on like what we really want instead of just kind of rushing into it, which I feel like everybody should do. Really take your time. At first we just wanted to go straight out and buy a house, but then we realized, like, you know, it probably would be better for us just to wait and kind of shop around and see if we want to build a house, or if we just want to go ahead and just buy one that someone's already lived in. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of our house, and yeah. Okay, so currently where I am right now is our kitchen, and we just have like a table here. There's our trash and my step stool, LOL. We have not decorated how we want our kitchen to be, but this is sort of like the angle. It's a pretty nice sized little kitchen. We have lots of room on the sides. As you can see, I could put like 2 of these things here, but obviously I'm not. This is just here in the meanwhile because we're waiting for our couch to come and our table. So this is kind of what that looks like. And then I won't show you guys like the whole kitchen, but like that's what the kitchen view looks like. And then when you turn, this is our living room, which is very spacious. I think it's very spacious. Yeah. And then that's Terrence's music stuff over there, our fireplace, my guitar. We have a balcony right here, and yeah, I'm not gonna go more into there. If you can see, there's our washer and dryer unit. I'm so excited, and I feel so blessed that we were able to get a complex that has that, so that way I'm not having to do the laundry, you know, like really late in the midnight hour or at really awkward times of the day. I just really love that. I feel like that's like a really big thing for me right now, is just kind of being comfortable, because I'm not really familiar with like the city and everything. It's beautiful, but you know, I just really like being able to just be in my own place, like my own a bow just here. So yeah guys, that's what's going on right now. I am going to be filming some more videos, just so you guys know. Just some catching up to do and some things. As you can see guys, I am rocking a bun and just keeping it simple. I have changed a lot of things in my life. So I decided that I was going to take a little time to kind of explain and really be transparent. So now that the tour is done, I decided that I was going to take a little bit of time just to be a little transparent and just let you guys know, you know, kind of what I'm going through as an individual and as a person, because I feel like it's very important to really, if you're going to show your life and want people to, you know, see what you have going on and inspire, it's really important to be real and transparent. And that's what I'm all about. So, where to start? So it's not a long story. I'm just gonna kind of fill you guys in of like mentally where I am. And so a couple of months back, before we got married in May, I want to say it was March, I started a journey of going vegan. And so for me going vegan, I really loved it, truly, and I have been thinking about it so much lately because I feel that my body, my soul, everything just responds so much better. I was doing it for the wrong reasons though. I would genuinely say I love the journey, but I was doing it for the wrong reasons. And that was because, for one, I thought that it was going to change my body in a way that I couldn't change myself. So like me working out wasn't going to change it. I needed to do this certain thing, which is a fad or a trend that people were doing, that I would see on YouTube and that I would see everywhere else. And I'm like, okay, that's what's going to work for me. And so it turns out after about, I did it for about 6 months, I want to say, I was vegan, all through our all through our wedding, and even after that until, I want to say just a little bit longer, like maybe a month or 2 ago, I stopped. So maybe it's not 7 months, maybe it's a little bit under 5. And so I was really sad, I really was. And I kind of felt myself going into this really weird, okay, I don't need to be vegan anymore, I can eat this. Oh, this responds good to me since I haven't been eating meat, so I'm gonna try this now. Oh, I'm sick, I'm gonna stop. No, I'm gonna eat it again because it's fine. And I got into this pattern of I'll take some, I won't take some. And it was really unhealthy because I wanted to keep something that I was doing. I wanted to uphold this image of what I was doing, and I didn't stop to say, is this what you really want to do, or are you doing it because people know you're doing it? Are you doing it because, you know, other people, you know, see you doing it? And in the beginning, it totally wasn't like that. I didn't even tell anyone I was vegan until after 2 weeks. So I knew that deep down in the beginning, I did truly want to do this. But along the lines, it became something else different that wasn't quite healthy for me. And so from there, I kind of went on a down spiral. I stopped going to the gym. I began to really look at myself and ask, like, is this what you want to do? Is this what you want to look like? And I really did fall, I'm not going to say a depression, but I fell really hard in a unhealthy mental state. And a lot of people don't recognize mental health, and it's such a big thing. It's such an important thing to recognize in yourself and other people, because it genuinely can be like night and day. It could be someone having like a completely different day and just constantly like putting on this mask of I'm happy, but inside like I'm really broken, or I'm really not where I should be, and I'm feeling like I want to do things like commit suicide, or I'm feeling like I want to just give up on everyone. So it's a truly dangerous state to be in, and I feel like we don't recognize it enough. So me not recognizing how I was feeling of this, I don't want to continue looking like this, but I don't want to do anything about it, or I just don't like where I am in life. It's a lot of people don't say this, especially when they're going through what I'm going through, but I'm 23 and I don't have my degree yet. And for some people, they're like, well, you messed up and you weren't responsible. And I can say yes. A lot of the times I was not as responsible as I should have been. I put other things at a bigger priority than school. And I'm not saying that people can't make it, without getting a degree. We all know people that have made it successful, lots of money, lots of success in their career without a degree. We definitely know that. This is the time of day where if you have a YouTube, if you have a social media platform where you have millions of followers, you can be deemed very successful. And you don't really have to go back to school because you're making a decent income for people who, just got out of college and they have this degree, but they can't get a job. So there's all different ways. And so I had to take a self journey just to understand that, hey, it's okay. Like, you have your goals, you know what you want to do. Like, I do know what I want to do in life, and it's okay to not have it figured out. It's okay to keep trying. It's never too late. And that's the thing that I'm learning. It's never too late to truly accomplish what you want to accomplish. Yes, we have obstacles, and yes, we have things that kind of get in the way, but it's never too late. And so with me understanding that, I'm really on a journey of being content and knowing that I have my own path. I have a direction that I'm going, and I have God first. And I know that if these are the desires of my heart, and I'm delighting myself in him, like the scripture says, then he will give me those desires, and the things will be fulfilled if it's in his will. So knowing that, I'm just really excited for what God has in store for me. And I find joy. I find more joy than I did before in not going to the gym than going to the gym. And it's weird because people would say like, oh, like, you used to post workout videos all the time and it used to help me, or you always posting like progress pics of like your body and I loved it. But little did they know I was doing those for the wrong reasons. I was posting it because I knew people liked the way my body looked, or I knew that people were liking things that I was doing and finding a fascination with it. And I liked that feeling of maybe people are idolizing me. Like, I loved that feeling that, oh girl, like your butt's getting bigger and I wish I had a body like you. Like, I loved those things and I fed off of it. And I feel like as humans, we don't identify that way. We do like that feeling, and we have to check it. We really do. We have to check what's going on inside to really understand, why do I like the way this feels, or why do I like this, or like, it's just, you really have to like take some time and really look into yourself and say why. And that's what I began to do, and I realized I was doing it for the wrong reasons, so I completely cut it. I cut it from my life. I cut the feeling the need to have to work out. I cut that. I'm not obligated to work out at the gym. I'm not obligated to have this cute diet or this cute thing. I'm not obligated. I should do things because I want to. I should do things because it makes me genuinely feel good about myself. And that's what I'm learning. And I feel like I could really help a lot of people with just saying that, because we don't acknowledge what we like and we don't acknowledge what we genuinely want to do. A lot of it's because we see someone else doing it and think that's why. That's another reason why I kind of stopped doing YouTube, because I was doing it for the wrong reasons. I was saying, oh, I want to get famous overnight, or oh, I want to do this and people are going to love me and love my videos, or I want to do this because I know I'm going to get a whole bunch of subscribers. No. I wasn't finding happiness in it. That's why I could never find the time. That's why when I was sitting on the bed and I could film a video, I didn't want to, because it wasn't genuine. It wasn't who I wanted to be. And I really had to find out who I wanted to be. And for a lot of people, that's hard. And I totally understand. But it is great when we can identify. And that's what I'm doing. I'm identifying what it is that Sakari loves, what it is that Sakari longs for. And I've really been getting into my word a lot more than I have before, just because I want to keep a consistent consistent relationship with God. Even when I'm not praying or worshiping, I want to still be attached, still have a knowing and understanding of his word, even when I'm not being preached to. You get what I'm saying? So, or taught to. That's pretty much an update of how I've been doing, where my head is. And I just wanted to be honest with you guys, because going on this journey, I realized it is better to be honest and genuine than to be fake and successful. If you guys know me, I was telling my friend, I am very used to having my hair completely done, whether it's a wig or, you know, lace front wig or a weave or a braid, like whatever. Like, I'm used to having my hair done, and I'm going on this journey where I'm like, you know, this is who I am. This is me. I don't need a full face of makeup. I don't even have a full face of makeup on right now. I have on some powder, a little highlight, my eyebrows are done. And I'm finding joy. Oh, and I don't even get my nails done anymore. Wow, right? I keep them low because when I play guitar, or I practice guitar and I like to play guitar, so I keep them really low. But in finding that, I don't get my nails done anymore. Don't get my eyebrows done. I do them myself. I'm just finding peace in not having to spend money on things and be a part of things that are really not needed. I've really been going on this journey of, also, I don't want to put a title to it because that's where it becomes like a fad. I don't want to do that. But the name of it, the type of lifestyle, is called a minimalist. And in that, I find that God is really the center in a lot of that concept of just being a minimalist. And I say that because God is a God of simplicity. He's not complicated. He has his word, his instructions, and his love. And I feel like when we add too much in the mix, that's what makes it hard for people to really understand how good God is. But he's very simple in his ways, and it's amazing. And so when I think about it, before we moved out here, we had a garage sale, and I decided to put literally, I think it was almost like everything from my closet that I was holding on to, things I didn't want to sell, give away. I just gave it, I didn't give it, but I sold it, and I made a lot of money for one. But two, it was like this release, like this thing that was like attached to me that I felt like I didn't need anymore. As you can see, like most people would probably be like, I cannot be in a house with no furniture. I need something, I need something, I need something. To me and Terrence have been enjoying this. We have minimal things in here. And I'm still getting rid of things. Like each day I'm throwing out stuff like, nope, we don't need that, we don't need that. And it's just the best feeling ever to be able to just let go. Just let go. And yeah, so that's what I'm really just getting used to. And I got rid of like so many clothes to now like I'm looking at the same outfits every day, and I'm like, how am I wearing clothes every day that are cute when I barely have clothes in my closet? And it's because I'm just enjoying life, and I'm feeling comfortable and feeling confident in what I put on. And it's not about how many clothes you have, what kind of clothes you have. It's really about just being confident in you and continuing just to be you. And so that's what is going on in my life, guys. And yeah, there's not much more I can say. I'm just grateful for the opportunity, and I'm just glad that you guys are on this journey with me, and that you guys understand. For those who are watching this video, I know that you would genuinely understand why it's been so much of a rocky consistency with the videos and social media and things like that. But it's really because I'm really trying to find what makes me happy, what makes my inner man, you know, at peace, and what gives God glory. You know, what am I doing that glorifies him with my life? And so that's the honest truth. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.